and we will deal with some people. When I say we will deal with them based on facts. Okay? Your president, Nanado, last we may and when you want to catch him said the greatest gift or the Amayan air Dr. Baumi, I make I never be in a page in a source because I'm on mundo. Yes, sorry, I penkabum. I mean, Mama Jocelyn. Oh, and a Ghana, a day kabum, and your micro. Now, ye say. Meanwhile, the politicians say, so cast yen in a bakwa, on your vote. Into on your day, on my Santa Fontana before. A before Tanya Santa for, said your bay NDC being on only dear voter, and people swing an idea was Sante. Oh, Benyo, one ebre, Quama menone ebre, Yanya Shin Fino, any ebre. Na sinya meya wadom o sin nshira nka de ode den ode asomdwie eba nshira enka asomdwie ni. Don't worry, I'm going to go after Honorable Hobson very soon. Me ankasa me papa no ene me beka asem bi akere no me beka asem bi akere Hobson ene pa. Yeah, he's my person, but today I'm going to say something to Honorable Hobson. Okay, I'm going to say something for Honorable Hobson. And Honorable Hobson, today what I'm going to say, I want you to take it. It will help you. Honorable Hobson Adoye, the American and Neno, Tie Nebeboao. You are not a dishonorable man, no. You are an honorable man. Act like one. Honorable Hobson, you are not a dishonorable man, so act like an honorable man. And stop this cool car. It is not leading you anywhere. Food soldiers in the deal, the bang. Honorable Hobson, Diane bang, the chin say, yeah, quine. Honorable Hobson, Diane bang, the chin say, yeah, hospitals, I'm in Yanka, I be a man, for Hobson. When the car said, Chairman, what would you say? You know the party than I know the party. Honorable Hobson, if you are watching me, I want you to come tell us which stanza of the party said, say, obey your party food soldier, party in the better. You need to stop it. You are taking it too far. It is not helping nobody, Honorable Hobson Adoye. For now, you might think, say, you are working Alan, but saying, me pese Alan be your president, ya, ude denen ko baby ao. Honorable Hobson Adoye, listen to me and listen to me carefully. You are my senior man. I respect and love you and your family so much. I say it all the time. Where I have to defend you, I will defend you. But when you goof, I will show you you have goofed my boss. You know me. You are goofing. Honorable Hobson, you are goofing. We join political parties because of the ideology they have. It's not because we joined it because they want to feed us. In any case, Honorable Hobson, are you telling me, say, undidi? Are you going to tell Ghanaians to say MPP, undidi, na undidi, MPP, ba, bem, undidi? You need to cut it out. You go and sit on radio to defend the party, then you go on the other side and bastardize the party. So what do you want people to believe? Hobson, tell us. Ukrona, you want people to vote for MPP. Ukrona also say MPP. And they say, what you will listen to? Come on. Honorable. Me honorable me beshi an Ghana no onye hia ni o. Utie. Honorable Hobson Adoye me beshi an wo Ghana no onye hia ni. And on stressre unless said they are not me huni ni na artificial. But it can't be artificial like that. Onyamobo. Stop crying the same advice. I'm giving you that same advice. Stop crying more than the belief. Now, what maybe? Party inti when you maybe akuko ye. Sa empty threat ka cry then you put your own party into ditch. O denjidi say nye nyanko pompe sa lanchiremante. Ebeye leader, no matter what campaign you do, no matter what boka you do, he will not become no president. So wake up. Wake up. NDC for vote for I am a president 29 years. And your president keku. Omo mama mu MPC a. Utie. Omo sanya di womo sanya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, NDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the voter region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop voter region. Now John Mahama is promising voter region people that, oh, this time when I come, I will pay attention to voter region. Now men come free voter. Now imagine ye juma. And come okasa wie ye na majima ikini bisa say, can you account for us that Keta Sea defense money President Kufuor went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta? Please, can you account for that money? Mr. Me come here this near. And come be some Mahama say, Aden ye this kama say, for be ye sea defense, so boy who buying Nenzio nu yiria and the chi am fire so am fire Japade, am fire no baye, am fire niama. But NDC if we go voter region. Et nasi. And a papa na ye this man say on fanya sea defense na to yen chamo etisan tomono okoto mo 10 bucks. And konto local rice kura nanka local producers no enyes kadebi. Okoto long grain rice, perfume rice 10 bucks. Oto esichire 10 bucks. Nkatie 10 bucks. Ye atoko esam kakra. And ye sardine box 20. And ye omaka say sheto omudi gu jelly kemu. And ye digere and also no bottom by 10 because you say mono gele ne fatamu gele soakings no e fatamu ntino ye de emo 10 bucks pe gele no ye de be 100 bucks ne ba ye mu fa bi nkoka ayindi. After this man spent your money when you were in need, when the water has taken your property, he came there, brought these items, which is a chicken feed to John Dramani Mahama. Compared to the money he has, what he brought there, chicken feed. Now, man, who the before me call horse had done said, dear, near the ma ye di you. And Mahama, welcome, Wezolo, Iwezo, you, Iwezolo, and Mahama Wezolo, Mahama Wezolo, Egba. Now, Mrs. Ah, and more back, Egba. Hey, Ghana. Ha! You're serious in Ghana. Akwa we ya bokro no ente se amamo ende mo deja tese bu twa adwo okofa gele 10 bags 20 bags ne emo 10 bags ba ya mo gina ho akohye hwani afita be gina se Mahama Wezolo Iwezolo egba na me hwe mo sa na mo se no ano no sa voter ho ne de agi se nyame aba mutie voter region hono. Today I'm saying it on authority, man, and I have no vendetta against voters. For the people who know where I grew up, you know voters are my people, and this is a fact. But say what na ho kwesi bi na obi a ono sika na ese so de bon ho ban